The Scordisci were a prominent Iron Age cultural group whose emergence followed the Celtic settlement of southeast Europe. Their territory was primarily centered in present-day Serbia, situated at the confluence of the Savus, Sava, Dravus, Drava, Margus, Morava, and Danube rivers. Historically significant from the early 3rd century BC until the transition into the Common Era, they coalesced into a tribal state that exerted influence over vast regions, encompassing parts of modern Serbia, Croatia, Bulgaria, and Romania, with their cultural footprint extending even further. However, their prominence waned following the Roman conquest in the 1st century AD, as their territories were integrated into the Roman provinces of Pannonia, Moesia, and Dacia. Formed after the Gallic influx into the Balkans, the Scordisci represented a fusion of Celtic, Thracian, and Illyrian elements. Evidence suggests a process of Illyricization of personal names, with settlements east of the Morava River displaying Thracian influence. The Scordisci were found across various regions, including Illyria, Thrace, and Dacia, occasionally splitting into distinct groups such as the Scordisci Major and Minor. Their dominance in the region is evident through extensive Latene-type archaeological finds, particularly in Pannonia and northern Moesia Superior. However, such artifacts are scarce south of the Sava River. Genetic analysis of samples from this period indicates a complex admixture of early European farmers, Western steppe herders, and Western hunter-gatherer-related ancestry. Throughout history, the Scordisci played significant roles in regional conflicts and alliances. They established control over strategic areas like the Sava Valley and erected fortresses in key locations such as Singadunum, modern-day Belgrade. Their engagements with Rome, Macedon, and neighboring tribes were frequent, often resulting in shifts of power and influence. By the 1st century BC, the Scordisci faced challenges from Roman governors and neighboring powers. They were eventually subdued by Tiberius in 15 BC and later made alliances with Rome. The Dacian conquest around 50 BC further weakened their autonomy, leading to their gradual Romanization and integration into the broader Roman political and social framework. Today, the Scordisci are remembered as foundational figures in the history of Belgrade and the wider Balkan region, their legacy enduring through archaeological remnants and historical accounts.